Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to draw polyline arch. Okay, ini I will create new part. Go to part design, click create body, create sketch, and I will choose top plane. If you want to create a polyline, you can click at these icons, polyline, and you can click like I will start from these origin points, move into here. Now, if you want to change into arch, you can press M button and press again, to be go for the arch like this. Okay, then press again 3 times to create for arch with these polyline tools. And this is for the lines. Now we create again, so you can press M buttons 3 times to change into polyline and connect here. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials how to create polyline arch. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.